Hey Marietta, it's Noah Williams. Last weekend, I got to chat with some of the baseball team at their practice for their upcoming game on Tuesday. I spoke to mostly the only pitchers, or apparently I'm supposed to call those OPs because it sounds cooler, but I don't know if I buy that.
Okay, so my name is Amir. I'm a PO. So that really means I just like pitch and stuff like that. That's really all I do. So usually I rhyme, throw a lot. I'm really try to widen my variety of pitches I can lead. So help the team out and stuff like that. So just really trying to be a team players. Really trying to be a team player.
I asked them about some of the things that I noticed during the practice since I know absolutely nothing about baseball. But the only thing that I forgot to ask them was who choreographed the little dance that they were doing at the beginning of practice.
I'm Brady.
I'm Riego.
I'm Will.
What was the pep talk thing that you guys just did? What was that about?
It was really trying to get us motivated for this upcoming season. You know, going through the basics, making sure we remember all the fundamentals.
Yeah.
Just having a great attitude going towards the season and having goals that we want to complete.
You're doing your little running thing, like the sideways thing. What's up with the finger thing that everybody's doing?
Cut
Like
that first
this?
part out.
Yeah.
It helps you get a rhythm and get going before you actually take off, and really time people up so you have a better chance to get safe.
Okay, wait, maybe I am learning a little bit about baseball. Tonight is their first game to kick off a great season, and they seem very confident. So I'll definitely be showing up to show my support.
Good morning, Marietta. It's the Marietta baseball team, Coach T and Riego. Want y'all to come out Tuesday, our first game of Holy Innocents. I'm calling it right now. Blue Devils win the region this year. Please be there for every game in the home season. Go Big Blue.
Go Big Blue.
Ya lo que esperamos que los Diablos Azules vengan a jugar aquí contra nosotros.
Eso es.